Hello to all my friends out there. Here we are again. Another day in the pandemic. Actually, the pandemic has been very bad for me. I hope everyone is doing okay. I started working as a hairdresser when I was 16. And from the time I was around 16 until 62, I was in a beauty shop from morning till night, usually 7 days a week. So when I finally retired, I thought, oh good, I'll get outside. And I did. I have black tea and lemon. I really did. And what I really did was I paced around outside, but it was still better than being locked up inside. And beauty shops don't smell that really good either. So that was my life, and then I retire. It's like some kind of bad karma, I'm thinking. So I have another 10-minute meal. No splitting hairs, you guys. If it's boiling or if it's baking, that's not really taking time. And so I like to drink my tea in a mason jar at this time. That might change. Okay, so what I made was some tasty barbecue chicken. Yes, it took longer than 10 minutes to bake, but it didn't take more than 10 minutes to make. This is one of my best recipes. And it's dirt cheap too, that's another plus. So take a look at this. This will do. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. I got some chicken on sale for 99 cents. I sprinkled a lot of garlic powder and black pepper on my chicken, and I dusted it lightly with flour, just a tiny bit. And then I've been baking in oil rather than margarine, and I think I like it. So, okay, barbecue chicken. Notice my tomato plants. I bought these at 99 cents only. I brought them in and I gave them the lecture. I gave them some water and I said, okay, you guys look pretty. I think they're doing a good job. Ooh, my chicken is falling off the bone. You bake at 350, turn halfway, and when it's practically done, then and only then add the barbecue sauce. And bake it until it falls off the bone. The trick is don't be in a big fat hurry. So now I have to make some potato salad. Okay, you guys, it takes longer to boil potatoes. I have nitpickers out there. You guys, lighten up. Okay. And I already peeled my potatoes and I already peeled my egg. Yes, that takes a couple seconds as well. But I didn't want to bog down my video, okay? Okay, so what I like is meat, potatoes, rice or sweet potatoes, and a vegetable. That's what I like to eat. And so what I decided to do was go back to my real life before it was destroyed by the Chinese. You notice, like, for a long time we were always seeing them marching around in masks, and then they say they gave it to us, right? I mean, how many years has this crap been going on? We're probably going to be putting up with this for God knows how long. That irritates me when they say we gave it to them, right? It is starting to loosen up here. You know, you can kind of go to the store a little bit, but you know, we still have to be very careful. I think it's good that some people are able to go back to work. I mean, most people work all their lives, buy a house and a couple nice cars, and they want to send their children to college, right, online. God, this is jacked up. So, that is quick. That is very quick. You know, like when the Chinese are saying we gave it to them, that's like arguing with stupid people. Nuh-uh, you gave it to us. Nuh-uh, you gave it to us. Okay, come on. Like, you didn't just give it to us, they gave it to the whole flippin' world. It's really annoying, really. It's more annoying when they go, you gave it to us. No, we didn't give it to you. You gave it to us. I think our population has been pretty compliant, though. Mayonnaise. This is just going to be some basic potato salad. And it's cheap, and you can eat it again the next day. Let's see. A little pickle relish. How about this report? People are picking on the Chinese. No. I have some news for you guys. You heard that there were 7 cases of the coronavirus in the top ramen factory. First of all, I couldn't find any top ramen even if I wanted to give it to myself. And now, another thing is, I was doing more research, you know, when I was in the store on the Vienna sausages, and at 99 cents only, it went from 50 cents to 69 cents. So that is a 38% increase. And I thought I saw them for $1, but you can still get them at Walmart. So if you want to get some, we better buy them now at Dollar Tree, where they're still 50 cents for the time being. Yummy, my potato salad looks good. And guess what, you guys? I am going to make the 10 minutes easily, just like I did last night. How many minutes? Oh, I have tons of time. I have 3 minutes left. Okay, and then I made some steamed spinach. And what I have on my steamed spinach is lemon, pepper, and butter. Yummy. I pretty much have to eat spinach for the next couple of days because, you know, I got it at 50% off, and then what I like to put on my spinach is a little vinegar. So here you have it, you guys. 10 minutes. Come on, it doesn't count when the chicken is baking. You guys see? Okay, there's dinner. No. Is that all? No, but that doesn't count for my 10 minutes. Homemade yogurt. This is very tasty. You gotta make this. Yummy. All you need is milk. I use powdered milk and yogurt. That is all you need. You've got to learn to make this. I've made it a million times, so I'm just giving you guys a recipe. I hope it's showing up. Write this recipe in your notebook so you won't be dairy deficient. And then what else did I make? Well, I'll show you. Homemade granola. Very easy to make and not expensive to make. And I had these little apples that I bought. So I dehydrated the apples. I cut them in small pieces at the same time. You can put anything in here. Put anything you want. I might make some with some peanut butter. Just add peanut butter to your butter and honey. You melt that and you add cinnamon. And you can add some peanut butter. It would be tasty. And what I used is I had some pepitas. Normally I like a lot of coconut, but this time I used raisins and apples, any kind of fruit, any kind of nuts. See how easy this is? Okay, so now I have to move my yogurt because the plants might generate some insects. I bought 6 pounds of pinto beans today, marked down. Okay, now this is inflated. These are $2.99 for I bought 2.2 pounds, so I got them for $1.50. So that was a pretty good price on 6 pounds, and I bought all there was. Yes, that was a resource hog. And I bought a new can opener because, you know, God knows if we're going to get another pandemic. And then they had lemons marked down, so I got a bunch of lemons for 50 cents. So that was good. And see my little garden decor, that little crocodile made in Kenya. Okay, now what? All right. I have a channel for you guys to check out. The Poverty Princess. You know, I've been subscribed to her for a long time, but your channel doesn't necessarily feed you every person you're subscribed to. And she had a good, the Poverty Princess, a little planting. And what she had in there was her garden, which was a really simple garden, my kind of stuff, and idea for a greenhouse. And I really liked it. I might try it. And yesterday she did a review on beef in her area, and it was pretty scanty. So today when I was at Walmart, I checked out the beef, and they have that partial soy beef there too. I think it's cheaper than Kroger's. I might buy some. Okay, so what you're apt to run out of is fruit, vegetables, and bread. But I added one more thing, potatoes. That would be really, really bad to run out of too. And then rice and beans. So it would be fruit, vegetables, bread, potatoes, rice, and beans. That would be a good little stockpile. And then if you had a lot of bacon ends, that would be good too. Okay, and then check out and subscribe to Fabulous 50's 30-minute Get Fat Fit indoor workout for women over 50. And I have been doing that. And now it's to the point that I can get outside and walk a little bit. I usually walk 2 hours a day, but it's just not a good idea at this point. You know, who knows what's going on out there. So you have to be careful. Oh, Only in My Dreams. Check that out. What she used her what I used my stimulus money on prepping, which I thought was a super great idea. So I want to mention a couple things and then I'm done. Credit is borrowing against the future. It doesn't matter if we do it or if the country does it. That is my opinion. And that is like wimpy. Remember, if you give me a hamburger today, I will gladly pay you on Tuesday. So you really have to view credit in that light. Sometimes it works. We'll see. And what they're saying now is follow the money, which I think is a good idea because Warren Buffett pulled his money out of the stock market, and Elon Musk generated a couple $2 billion as well. So they're saying follow the money. So one thing we don't want to invest in is airlines, and I think they were careless the entire time, and they can be blamed for a lot of this. Can gold and silver hyperinflate? Yes, of course. Okay, now, stocks are sharing in future prosperity. So, you know, Warren Buffett pulled his money out of the airlines because he didn't think there was going to be any future profits. And neither will be like cruises. I don't know how long it's going to take for Las Vegas to regenerate. Also in this pandemic, what we learned is non-essential jobs are considered non-essential. So what we want to do is, the only thing that was essential was Walmart, Costco, gas, 7-Eleven. Okay, so who will be the survivalists in this situation? I'll tell you who. It's the people with the deep pockets. Or it's the people who will just drastically cut back. This is me. Drastically cut back for the next 2 years. Because I happen to think a depression is coming. Not to be a pessimist, but everything does point to a bad situation brewing. So the less people buying, the less people with money, you know, if there's more people with no money than people with money, then that's going to create less purchasing, and then that's going to cause the retail to go down, which is not good. So those are just some little things. Okay, I guess that's it. Okay, you guys, 10 minutes, and I would like to challenge you. Okay, some of you who say my video is not 10 minutes, I would like to see your video for 10 minutes. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all. Check it out.